Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of one of the rarest and most historic coins ever minted in the USA, the 1600 silver Pine Tree Shilling. Yes, you heard it right. This coin was produced in the 17th century, over 400 years ago, at a time when the American colonies were just beginning to grow. Back then, there was no official American currency, and the colonies had to create their own coins for trade and commerce. The Pine Tree Shilling became a symbol of independence and ingenuity. The coin was minted in Massachusetts, one of the first colonies to attempt producing its own currency. Each Pine Tree Shilling was hand-struck from pure silver, a process that required incredible skill. On one side of the coin, you will see a pine tree, which symbolized strength, growth, and the natural wealth of the New World. On the other side, the coin bore the inscription Massachusetts, the 17th century spelling of Massachusetts. What makes this coin truly remarkable is its extreme rarity. Only a very small number of these coins have survived through wars, economic upheavals, and centuries of history. Collectors and historians consider it a treasure not just for its silver content, but for its story, a tangible piece of early American history. In auctions, the Pine Tree Shilling has fetched tens of thousands of dollars, and in some rare cases, prices have crossed $100,000. Some coins even carry unique errors, scratches, or unusual markings that make them one of a kind, the kind of coin that could be worth millions to the right collector. Imagine holding a coin that survived centuries of colonial life, the birth of a nation, and countless hands that passed it along. It's not just a coin, it's a window into history, a connection to the people who built early America. Interestingly, some Pine Tree Shillings were minted in slightly different designs, some showing different tree shapes or slight variations in the letters. These differences make each coin unique and incredibly valuable for collectors and museums worldwide. So, whether you are a coin collector, history enthusiast, or just someone fascinated by the past, the 1600s Pine Tree Shilling is more than just a coin, it's a piece of America's story, frozen in silver and mystery, waiting to be discovered and cherished.